too. Make sure.
Ah!
I say wait a second.
All right.
Go ahead.
Comments. Oh, wait. Where's the other one?
You gave me what I exactly wanted.
Hold on. No, that's not it.
What's
This
wrong?
This was supposed to be yours. And I put the wrong sticker on it and you opened Andrew's.
Sorry. It's okay.
Hey, we can do
Where's
the
it?
Yay!
same thing with the
What
VIP
the?
one
Yes.
on both
What's this?
because they're matching now.
Yeah, that's fine. What's this?
I love this.
It's fluffy foam. You make weird little creatures and stuff out of it.
Okay, I've been asking for this.
Put the paper on the floor.
Put all the paper on the floor, goofballs.
Hurry up, Andrew. You gotta catch up.
Guess what I'm making this out of?
What?
We're making the book fit.
Hurry up, Andrew. Andrew's slow, ain't he?
Can I help him open? No. Open this for me first.
Not right this second.
Not this
Prayer!
second. Okay, not right this second, Goofy.
I knew it. Markers. You gave me markers.
Well, yeah, you like to draw.
Thank you. This is the biggest present I could see right now. You bet I like markers.
Cool. Hurry up.
Hurry up so I can play with my Star Wars thing and me and you had to kill each other. Bionicle 1? I think that's a Bionicle toy. That's what I think. What is that? What is that? Answer on the front is already
It's
broken.
taking you a long time to open that present.
More!
We knew it.
You like coloring.
What is that?
More paint stuff. Oh, paint stuff.
It's magic painting stuff.
Cool. Magic? How? What does it do?
It has special paper that the paint only shows up on the special paper.
And what does the special paper do? Make it look real.
Now, this one says Andrew.
These are
Other
from,
side, Goofy.
These are from Grandma and Grandpa Keith.
Dang it. Wow, wait, this is long.
Now be careful.
Yes.
Oh, there's something. This is not from Santa.
I know, it's from Grandma and Grandpa.
Why they put Santa?
I wrapped it for them when they weren't here.
Yes! What the? Yeah! What are you talking about here? Yes! Yes!
Both of those are both pink.
Yes!
Mhm.
Yes! Yes!
Both of them.
I've been wanting this all my life. A guitar.
You've been wanting it all your life.
Without even asking y'all. Thank you. Thank you, Grandpa and Grandpa at the beach.
Okay, you explain this one. Because this one's for...
Okay, now, some of your toys are for joint playing, okay? Both of these big toys are for both of you to play with. Okay? So that one over there, Daddy's going to bring it to you. It's still for both of you, and that one's still for both of you.
Huh? I thought I'll open that one. No, Mama, those are that's for Andrew, that's for me.
Well, yeah, but you still have to share.
We can?
Wait, let your brother open that one first.
I'll help you. No, I don't need help.
You just said that to me, and then you went to
A big Lego thing? What is this big Lego thing? Lego? What the? Lego animals? That's a big Lego box. Give me it.
There are over 1,200 Legos in that box.
1,200 Legos? That means I can make my big Green Lantern, Captain America, Iron Man thing. No, these are These are not for Dad. These are mine. I want to make that. I want to make the city look right.
Oh, hey.
Be careful.
Pick
What
it
is
up,
it?
Pick it up.
What is it? Pick it up. Pick it up.
I'm gonna drop it again.
You gonna drop it? You gonna break it? What is it? What is it?
An Optimus with the trailer that transforms with it. Jojo, there's still a piece of paper on the back. 2.
Hold on.
That's a gun. Can I please have me one?
Hmm?
Cool. I want this all my life.
Is that everything from under the tree?
Yep.
Open y'all's present.
Well,
Yeah. Let's open our present.
Yeah, because we had it special for y'all. I'm playing with this today. Want to play with my magic
How do we
paint?
know whose is what?
We'll tell you.
oh, tell us.
Yeah, we'll tell you. You can duff it out. This is for Mom. This is for Dad. Yeah, Dad. This is for Mom. This is Dad. Mom. No, I give this.
I don't even know what whose is for. Y'all just giving it out.
No, we promise. Y'all both get 3 apiece.
That way Daddy has a big one because he has small.
Okay.
There.
So can I play with this today?
You buddy.
Okay, now we have one more.
Fuck y'all Sam.
But we're gonna do this kind of different because just while we're here, we're gonna do this kind of differently because y'all have no idea we got this present and you have no idea where it is. So you have to start in our bedroom, but you have to wait just a minute so I can reset the video, okay?